For homeowners in Anthem, maintaining a clean and healthy living environment is about more than just frequent dusting or air purifiers. It begins with something often overlooked: proper window installation. In Arizona's desert climate, where dust, pollen, and airborne particles are a constant challenge, the way your windows are installed can make a significant difference in indoor air quality. Professionally installed windows not only enhance comfort and energy efficiency but also serve as a crucial barrier against outdoor irritants that can trigger allergies or respiratory discomfort. Let's explore how high-quality window installation helps Anthem homeowners keep dust and allergens out, ensuring a cleaner, healthier home year-round. Sealing out dust and outdoor particles. Anthem's desert air is filled with fine dust and sand that can easily find its way indoors through poorly sealed windows. Even the smallest gaps between the window frame and the wall can allow microscopic particles to slip inside, settling on furniture, floors, and air ducts. Proper window installation ensures airtight seals that block out these unwanted intruders. Professional installers use advanced insulation techniques, caulking, and weather stripping to close every potential entry point. The result? Noticeably cleaner air and far less dust accumulating inside your home. With tightly sealed windows, homeowners spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying a fresher, more comfortable indoor environment. Reducing pollen and allergen infiltration. Spring in Anthem brings beauty and pollen. When winds sweep through the area, pollen from desert plants and trees can easily travel through open or leaky window frames. Once indoors, these allergens can trigger sneezing, congestion, and other allergy symptoms. High-quality installation prevents outdoor allergens from entering through cracks, loose sashes, or warped frames. Combined with modern double-pane or low-E window designs, proper installation helps maintain balanced air pressure indoors, keeping allergens at bay. For families with allergy sensitivities, this improvement can make a noticeable difference in comfort and health throughout the year. Maintaining indoor air quality and HVAC efficiency. When dust and allergens infiltrate your home, they don't just affect surfaces, they circulate through your HVAC system, clogging filters and reducing air quality. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and increased wear. Properly installed windows reduce infiltration, keeping your indoor air cleaner and reducing strain on your HVAC system. With less debris and pollen entering your living space, filters stay cleaner for longer, and your entire home's air circulation improves. As a bonus, tighter seals also prevent cooled air from escaping during Anthem's hot summers, helping you maintain comfortable temperatures with less energy use. Preventing moisture and mold growth. While Anthem's climate is generally dry, moisture can still find its way into homes during monsoon season. Poorly sealed or improperly installed windows can allow humidity and water to seep in, especially around frames or sill joints. This not only damages window materials over time but also encourages mold and mildew growth, both of which can worsen indoor allergies. Proper installation includes thorough weatherproofing and drainage considerations, ensuring that windows resist moisture penetration even in severe weather conditions. The result is a cleaner, drier indoor environment where allergens have less opportunity to thrive. Why professional installation matters. DIY window installations may seem like a way to save money, but they often lead to issues that compromise air quality and comfort. Professional installers understand how to achieve precise alignment, proper insulation, and airtight seals tailored to Anthem's desert climate. They also use high-quality materials and techniques that meet local energy efficiency standards. This ensures your windows perform optimally, blocking heat, dust, and allergens while maintaining durability and appearance. A skilled installer will also inspect your existing frames, identify potential problem areas, and recommend the best materials for long-term protection. A healthier, cleaner Anthem home. At the end of the day, proper window installation is about more than looks or energy savings. It's about creating a healthier living environment. By preventing dust, pollen, and moisture from invading your home, professionally installed windows help you breathe easier, reduce cleaning time, and protect your family from airborne irritants. If you've noticed an increase in indoor dust, allergy flare-ups, or uneven air temperatures, it may be time to consider a professional window upgrade. In Anthem's dusty climate, properly installed, energy-efficient windows are an investment that pays off every single day, in cleaner air, greater comfort, and peace of mind. Breathe easier, live cleaner, and enjoy the comfort your home deserves, starting with expertly installed windows built for Anthem living.